Well, what we're doing is we're cutting gaskets. If you see, I've already put that on there and traced out a line. Probably leave it a little proud and trim it off after it's on the engine. It just seems to make for a little bit of a better fit. Now what I'll do is I'll punch my holes. If you see on the back of this, I need to make these cuts. So but first, this is for the crankcase cover. And I've already traced it out also. This one the same thing. If it comes out a little bit sticking out, I'll just trim it off with a razor blade. I just want to make sure on the inside that there's not a lot of hangover, because it's a close fit in there. The crankshaft and the rod. I think the big end comes, pretty close back here. So what I'll do is I'll get my hole punch out and punch the holes and cut the rest of this out, and it has to be folded right here at some point to make a good seal down there, because you don't want any oil leaking out of this cover. So thanks for watching.